Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix wallpaper disappearing on iOS 17 update. So guys, many users are reporting their iPhone wallpaper automatically changed to a black backdrop. If you are also facing the same issue, don't worry, I will share some simple solution to fix iPhone screen wallpaper disappearance issue. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone. If your iPhone has any minor software bug or glitch, a simple restart can fix it. For restarting your issue, simply you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the wallpaper issue, then set a new wallpaper. Sometimes the issue may be with the image itself. Try setting a different wallpaper to see if the problem persists. You can also restore the wallpaper to its default settings. For doing this, simply have to go to your wallpaper. Now tap on Add New Wallpaper. Select the wallpaper you want to choose. Tap on Add. Tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. And simply it's change. Now applying this method and you're still facing same issue, then you can try solution number 3, rearrange your wallpaper customization. If you change your existing home screen and lock screen wallpaper pair or add too many widgets, all may clash and create a glitch. As a result, you may see your iPhone lock screen wallpaper disappear. So remove all the widgets and try again. After applying this all solution and you're still facing same issue, then you can try last solution, reset your iPhone. Performing a factory reset on your iPhone will erase all settings including wallpaper, keyboard and network settings. Your iPhone will get back to its default settings. So you can may return to your original wallpaper. For doing this, simply you have to go to your settings, go back, now tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.